checked out a book from the library about medical procedures. About an hour later, I had to go back to the library to return it. I asked the librarian if they had any other copies of the book, and she asked me what was wrong with the one that I checked out. Well, I told her that somebody removed the appendix. A book fell on my head the other day while I was rearranging my garage. I only have my shelf to blame. Welcome to the Dad Bod. I've been holding on to this package for a while now. 2 months ago, I did the StatelyMen unboxing review for January. I get the box every other month. That's my choice. You can choose monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. They have 3 options for price points. The Sharp plan is $99 and it comes with about 3 pieces. The Luxe plan, which is the one that I have, it's $149 and it comes with about 5 pieces. And then there's the Regal, which is $299 and it comes with 6 or more pieces. I'll give a quick recap of the previous 2 boxes in case you haven't seen the videos, but if you want to see the whole videos, I'll leave a link right above me as I mention the box. The first box came with a pair of pants, shoes, socks, and then I think a couple of shirts. The shirts and the shoes had to be exchanged. The shirts were way too small and they were slim fitting, and then the shoes were a size 12 and I wear a 12 wide or a 12 and a half. They don't offer wide or half sizes, so they sent me a blazer in exchange for the shoes. But the blazer was way too small because it was a regular size and I wear a long size blazer. They also don't have long sizes for blazers. Therefore, it's safe to assume that I won't be getting any more blazers or shoes. The shirts that they had sent in exchange for the shirts that I sent back just barely fit, and then they no longer fit after being washed one time. So they shrunk a lot. But you get charged if you exchange more than once per box, so the blazer became a Christmas gift and the shirts were donated. I updated my style preferences to be as specific as possible with my sizes and preferences. I put my sleeve, my neck size, my requirements, if it's a slim fitting shirt, that I prefer tailored shirts, my pant sizes, that I prefer not to get plaid. My second box arrived. It had pants that didn't fit, 2 cotton regular long sleeve non-dress shirts. One of them had to be returned, and then the plaid dress shirt that I'm wearing right now, to be exact. Not exactly what I would call business casual. It kind of falls more in line with somebody who maybe rides around in an Impala and kills monsters. So it doesn't work that well for the professional look that I requested. So there really isn't anything more that I can update my style preferences with. It's real clear on my sizes and preferences. I just need them to either read it and use it for my box or tell me that they can't accommodate my body type. So I'm kind of thinking that some of the rumors on the internet are true, that StatelyMen can't cater to folks who are taller or bigger, that they only really work well with the average to slim and short man. But I'm going to stick with them a little bit longer just to find out for sure, and so that way, we can find out together. We as in us. So I'm also signed up for the Winston box, which caters only to bigger and taller men. I've received 1 box from them and 1 exchange. The first box was all off. All 4 items had to be exchanged. With the exchange, I got 4 items. 2 out of the 4 were the correct size. So I'll be sending those 2 items back to just further nail down my sizes with them. That way we're both on the same page. So I have here the exchange package from the items that I sent back on my last box, as well as this month's box. I'm going to open them in just a minute, but before I do that, just want to remind you that if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps you to be notified when new videos are released. And then also make sure you click the like button on your favorite videos. Not necessarily just one video, but the ones that you prefer, hit the like button on them. YouTube, from what I understand now, focuses more on comments than likes. But the likes help me, so that way I know which videos you guys like the best, so that way I can try to make, more videos like that. Alright, the exchanged items. We have a 7-diamond shirt. It is a 3XL Good Life Slate Gray 7 diamond shirt. So we'll see how this one fits once we get everything out. And then I'm also going to, for certain items of clothing, I'll throw a little video right off to the side here, so that way you can see, the texture of the items. And then here we have English Laundry 4230 pants. I think it was my first box. I got a pair of English Laundry pants and I absolutely love them. These, I kind of really like the texture to it, just the little tiny boxes, some of them darker, some of them lighter. So yeah, I'll throw a little clip over here so that way you can better see what I'm talking about. Alright, now for the StatelyMen box. Curated in Los Angeles. I mean, maybe I just kind of find it hard to believe that this is the style in Los Angeles. But let's take a look and see what's inside. Alright, we have a little card that says, want to change things up? Try a new look, update your style profile and additional style preferences as often as you like. Don't forget to include any feedback or special requests you may have for your stylist. Well, I've already updated it with the maximum amount of characters that are allowed. Need a better fit? While our stylists try their best to curate apparel that will fit you, often some additional feedback will allow them to better learn your brand-specific sizing. Please note, we're only able to process exchanges for sizing-related issues. In order to provide premium apparel at a significantly discounted price, we are unable to exchange items due to style-related issues at this time. It says, submit a sizing exchange request within 5 days of receiving your package, blah, 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 by going to StatelyMen.com/exchange. Provide your stylist with details about any items that did not fit. The more feedback, the better. Well, that would be cool, except for they give you a limit on the amount of characters you can use. Receive your return shipping label via email. Once we receive your package, your stylist will get started on curating your replacement items. We just saw that. That got some distance. Alright, right here is a belt. Size 44, color tobacco. It says retail is $69 and it's pxclothing.com. For every order placed on our website, we plant one tree in the USA. Yeah, it's a pretty nice belt. It's a shade of brown that'll match pretty good with one of my pairs of shoes. 44 should fit me around. It says 95% leather, 5% polyurethane, except accessories. Made in China. Alright, we have Southern Scholars socks. I've received a pair of Southern Scholars socks with my first box and they fit just great. Honestly, I think they were kind of polka dotted like this one, blue. These are kind of like a burgundy with white and then gray on the tops and on the toes. We have a pair of jeans, DL 1961, size 42, so that should fit. It says retail is $125. It says 42.30, so yeah, these should fit. And that's a pretty nice looking pair of jeans. So we'll find out if they do fit. I'm hoping that they do because, again, I said that it is my size, so they did good on that one. If it doesn't fit, then it would be my issue. We have Bonobos 2XL Slim Fit dress shirt. Says the retail on this is $88 and it is Highland Floral Bear Berry. So I'll give you a little close up off to the side. It's some sort of a flower pattern. I'm not sure, but we'll give that one a try. And This is pretty heavy. What is this? Oh. They have a shirt inside. Okay, so this is a Grayer's Gray Jasp Harrison Heritage flannel. And okay, yeah, that's a flannel shirt. We're not going to be expecting too many more colder days here, but it'll be good to hold on to for when we do have some. It's a 3XL size, 100% cotton, crafted from the finest cotton. And I'm assuming that I'm supposed to wear this shirt with it. This is a long sleeve. So we saw this symbol before, couldn't figure out what it was at first. It's the Kinetics. It's a 2XL, large, retail $79. Just a white shirt. I have the purple version of this, I'm pretty sure, is the shirt that I received last time. And that is all for this box, so let's start trying some stuff on. I'll be so glad to get this plaid shirt off. It's not my style at all. Alright, here you can see me wearing the English laundry slacks that came with the exchange, and these fit great. They feel great. I think I'm really going to like these. Like I said, I already have a pair of English laundry that came in my first box, and I wear them all the time. The new dress shirt, on the other hand, does not fit at all. And I'm just going to have to take a charge on this and send it back for an exchange. I might be able to do that with this, but actually, because I held on to the exchange for so long, I might not be able to. But I mean, look at this. It absolutely does not fit. If I sit down, these buttons are going to go flying. Look at that. Alright, here I am wearing the jeans from the StatelyMen box. These fit great. It's kind of weird. It's jeans, but it's like a stretchy material. So either way, they're the right size. They look good. They feel good. Now I'm wearing the dress shirt that came with the StatelyMen box, and as you can tell, this thing is way too slim, way too short. I've updated my style preferences to make sure that they know exactly what my sizes are, but they're not paying attention. So I'm kind of getting frustrated here. Again, we've got a slim fitting shirt that's just too small. It says it's a 3XL, but I've worn 3XL stuff, and usually 3XL is way too big on me. There's no reason why this would be way too small on me. And I've got both the Kinetic shirt on and the flannel. I can keep the Kinetic shirt, but I mean, it's really just an undershirt at this point. Most of the stuff that they're sending me still doesn't fit, because as you can see, this flannel doesn't fit. So I'm going to try giving them a call, see if they have some sort of an issue with just not reading my style preferences. Well, I just checked, and they don't actually have a phone number that you can call. So at this point, I think I'm down to one of two options. I'm going to give them one more shot, and if they can't fix the issues on my next video in 2 months, then I'm probably going to cancel. Because at this point, it just seems that they're not listening, and they don't actually have the means to accommodate all body types. And again, I'm not very morbidly obese or anything. I'm just a little bit overweight. If they can't accommodate that, I mean, there's no reason why all of their items have to be slim fitting. I don't wear slim fitting shirts, and I've told them that multiple times. So if they can't get it right on the next one, then I believe the next one will be my last one. If they do, actually, respond and, acknowledge that they've been messing up and work to fix the issue, then I'll keep giving them, more tries until I feel like we've reached the limit on what we can do together. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time.